In today's data driven economy, organizations face growing pressure to manage and govern vast volumes of data while maintaining agility, compliance, and trust. Yet many teams still struggle with siloed data, inconsistent definitions, and a lack of visibility into who's using what and why. That's where Alation comes in. Alation is a powerful data intelligence platform that helps organizations discover, catalog, govern, and collaborate around their data. At its core, Alation provides a unified data catalog combined with strong governance tools, making it easier for everyone, from data analysts to compliance officers, to find the right data, understand its context, and use it responsibly. In this video, we'll walk through Alation's key feature, explain how they support enterprise data governance, and help you understand why Alation remains a top choice for forward-thinking data teams. For its key features and benefits, first is the smart data cataloging and discovery. Alation automatically indexes metadata from databases, by tools, and cloud storage systems. It uses machine learning to organize data, surface frequently used datasets, and suggest tags. Users can easily search for data using keywords or structured filters based on data source, owner, or certification status. This dramatically reduces time spent searching for data and eliminates duplication. It ensures teams are working with approved, consistent data assets rather than outdated or unofficial sources. Another key feature is the business glossary and data context. Alation includes a central business glossary that allows organizations to define and standardize key terms such as customer lifetime value or net revenue. These definitions are linked to relevant tables, reports, and dashboards. This aligns teams across departments by ensuring everyone speaks the same data language. It eliminates confusion and supports data literacy across the organization. Another key feature is the data stewardship and governance workflows. With Alation, data stewards can be assigned to specific datasets to oversee their quality and usage. Governance workflows allow for data certification, policy enforcement, change approval, and ownership tracking, helping ensure data is clean, trusted, and auditable. This enhances accountability, promotes responsible data handling, and reduces errors or misuse. It also helps teams meet compliance and internal audit requirements with less manual effort. Another key feature is the collaboration tools and knowledge sharing. Alation includes social and collaborative features like comments, ratings, endorsements, and usage tracking. Users can annotate datasets, flag issues, tag team members, and create curated datasets for collections or projects. This encourages knowledge sharing and data reuse across the company. Another key feature is the Policy Center and regulatory compliance. The Policy Center in Alation enables organizations to define and manage rules for how data should be accessed and used. These policies can be linked to datasets and monitored for adherence. Alation supports regulatory frameworks like GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and more. This strengthens your data compliance posture and minimizes risk of violations. It also helps you audit access and demonstrate compliance with regulators or internal stakeholders. So, why is Elation a great choice? Alation is more than just a data catalog. It's an enterprise grade data intelligence platform built to scale with your organization. What sets Alation apart in 2025 is its blend of powerful automation, deep integration with analytics tools, and strong focus on data literacy and collaboration. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Snowflake, Redshift, Databricks, Tableau, Power BI, and Google BigQuery, allowing your teams to work with governed data inside the tools they already use. Alation also supports hybrid environments, giving visibility into both on-premise and cloud-based data assets. Alation empowers data stewards with the tools to enforce governance, analysts with information they need to build accurate reports, and business users with the confidence that they are using trusted data. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to adopt, even for teams with limited technical backgrounds. Beyond technical functionality, Alation encourages a culture of data responsibility. So, by making data governance a shared, collaborative practice, not just an IT concern, organizations can scale insight and innovation without sacrificing security and control. So, if your organization is committed to becoming truly data driven, Alation is a key enabler. It simplifies governance, enhances data discovery, and improves collaboration, all while helping you stay compliant with ever tightening data regulations. With Alation, your team gain the tools to find, understand, and use data the right way, supporting faster decision making and more accurate insights. From data stewards and engineers to executives and business users, everyone benefits from better data visibility and governance. So start your journey with Alation today and give your teams the confidence to use data effectively and responsibly, no matter how complex your data landscape becomes in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.